Hi guys, it's me, Marie. Today I brought my help. That's my husband. Today we are going to make meatballs. So let's get started. We have here 500 grams of beef, ground beef. And what do we do with it? Okay, I have some pepper and just all to taste.
The eggs?
Yeah, this first, right? I have nutmeg, I have onion, and I have garlic powder and salt. And all to taste. And then, go ahead. This first and then the egg.
Bread?
Do you need to do the bread now?
Yeah,
Do that and I just get these.
The knife for the...
I don't have a knife. I just do it with my hands.
Okay.
First, without the egg.
Okay. Alright.
So you get all the flavors all over the meat. You know? There. See? You don't need no knife.
Milk over it.
Don't you want the eggs first? Or you want the... Oh, over the bread, yeah. Well, have one slice of bread. And I have, how much is here? 60?
50.
50 milliliters of milk. Yeah, 50. And let's get that bread all soaked. Alright. Put it aside for a minute. Then you want the egg?
Yeah. There you go.
Alright. Get it all mixed up. Okay, now.
Een bolletje kneden.
You have to squeeze it?
Ja, stukjes.
Do you have to get the milk out?
Nee.
Okay. Just like that?
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, let's get the butter ready. I'm gonna go this way then.
Yeah.
Get this on. Get some butter. Using the big chunk or the other one?
First
Big chunk. Isn't this fun? Cooking together?
Yes, of course. I like it.
You like it?
And then we make 4 pieces.
Okay.
What?
Now you have it.
Yeah, I could put a little bit on the other hand.
So then with 500 grams of beef meat, you get 4 bowls.
Yes.
Okay.
4 bowls. I think it's...
Separate like 4 equal pieces. You stay on the camera. Like that, and then you make a bowl. And we have breadcrumbs. comes here also.
It's a nice.
It's a nice bowl. And then you got it on the...
Yeah, I already did.
Yeah, okay. Should I do it?
Yes, I have to make some other one.
Nice piece of bowl. Nice piece of bowl.
Good.
So how long do they have to be in for? Just until brown?
How long was it? 15 minutes?
15 minutes about? I can do that. You know, that's the other one.
But, yeah, I don't know on this
Yeah.
time. Maybe some little bit longer.
This is like so annoying.
Let me do that. Yeah, you do this.
This is
It's not the good
on
one.
this side then. Yeah, the other one broke. I have this one, but then you're going to break it.
Oh,
Maybe two like that.
alright, that's good. Yes.
And now, bake until brown and cook through. And it depends how big the balls are. If you are making like little balls for like spaghetti and stuff, I think maybe 5 to 10 minutes they have to be done. So it's just keep an eye on it. And another thing is, if you want them to stay crispy like that, then you just cook them like that. But if you want balls that are softer, then you can add some water when the ball is all crispy to all sides. You can add water, put the lid on, and let them cook through. Right?
Yeah.
In total, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay.
Long sound.
Slow cooking. So first you just have to get it crispy all sides and then leave it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Slow. Okay. Get them with this.
The big one. That is right, and it'll be alright.
It's just for we need to take a picture. You know, for the thumbnail. So I'll just take these three like this. And that one goes over there.
Basic bowl. He likes it in little pieces.
Oh yeah. So, and there are the meatballs done. So I hope you enjoy this type of video, and I hope you try it. Let me know how you like it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.